the Pubbets Online Puppet Factory. Hi, and welcome. Thanks for checking out my campaign. My name is James, and my background is in teaching. I also founded Pubbets in 2018 after a successful campaign right here on Indiegogo. Since then, we've released a whole bunch of retail puppets which have been sent to happy customers all over the world. At the same time, I've also been making custom puppets. Now, these are special one-off orders for special characters that people approach me to make for them. It's rewarding, profitable, and the great quality control means that most customers come back and order again and again. I want to level up this part of the business, and with your help, we can do just that. I've already spent the last 3 or 4 months lining up all the pieces required, the blank puppet bodies, the blank eyes for the puppets as well. And also I've worked locally here in Thailand to build a network of tailors who can make amazing puppet outfits and carry bags. DHL Thailand has partnered with us to provide global shipping in just 7 to 8 days for all orders. The online sales will be done through our website at pubbets.net using a special proprietary app which is created by the team at Custom Product Builder. You can see here on the screen, I made a really basic mock-up of the system to show the dev team. The actual finished app will be a lot more detailed and provide more options for you. But you can see here how it basically works. Step 1, you choose the puppet body color, and then you go through stages and choose the eyes, the nose, hair, the hairstyle, the color, the outfit for your puppet, and even things like shoes as well. It's going to be really fun. The funding goal is around $12,045 US or 17,865 Aussie dollars. This covers everything from the business setup costs, the app development, which is about $1,000, and also things like the extra items, the shipping from the China factories to me here in Thailand, and so on. If we do reach this goal and exceed it, we can do things like offer extra puppet body colors or even extra puppet body patterns. So the sky is really the limit here. The first goal is to get the basic stage 1 up and running as soon as we can. How you can help. Number 1, of course, is to buy one of the custom puppet packages. And we're hoping to get these manufactured and start shipping in late September, early October this year. You can also buy one of the perks such as a t-shirt or a set of arm rods, or just make a small donation. Every little bit helps. But the most important thing you can do is to share the link with your friends and family. The word of mouth marketing is really super powerful. Thanks for your interest. Hey, if you have any questions, reach out to me on the contact links below. I reply to every message. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, bye for now, and check back often because I'll be releasing updates throughout the campaign. Thank you.